Welcome back. It's now time for the Business Review. On this week's edition of the Business Review, we're taking a look at a light and electricity company. Although times are hard, Fosrich is reporting that it is coping under the pressure.
As we speak, we are doing clearing of containers and goods are coming in.
Fosrich Managing Director Cecil Foster says his company's supply chain remains intact, but he couldn't say the same about his staff complement, especially those living in St. Catherine. Nevertheless, he noted that the company's inventory remains strong.
We made some decisions that see us having 4 or 5 months of regular goods that our customers would want available in our warehouses. And as we speak, more inventory are coming in. And so we are expecting to be here to serve the customers in whatever way they require.
He's confident that sufficient electric supplies will be around for at least the rest of the year.
We are seeing this as a medium-term situation where we will have to employ these strategies for the rest of the year. So that's where we have planted our mind. And so going forward, these measures will be in place unless things change.
At the same time, he says the company has added an online component to its marketing strategy in an effort to boost sales.
Be known in the market as a company that has manufactured products in the electrical field, the conduits and the pipes and the water pipes available. That is one. We're also rolling out in a very short while our online sales. So we are putting ourselves in a place where we can serve the customers wherever they are, in their offices or in their homes. We can get these products to them as quickly as possible.
And as investor jitters rock the stock market, Mr. Foster gave this assurance to his shareholders.
The solid base on which brought us the numbers that we did last year, which I think was over 20% increase in revenue. The solid base is still there. And so there is no need for our shareholders to become frightened and afraid. I know it is uncertain times, but for every share that you sell, if somebody is buying it, it means therefore that there's a reason why a person is buying it. If nobody is buying the shares, then it means therefore that the fundamentals would have been shifting from under the company.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.